Hey guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Creditfixrr mailer, okay? Now, whenever you want to send first class mail or certified mail from the Creditfixrr system, we have a new system. It's called Creditfixrr mailer, okay? It's the same button. You click here. Whenever you have a dispute letter, you click that. Now, notice that there is $0 in your balance, okay? What you want to do is you want to top up. You want to purchase some mail credits, okay? I'm going to purchase some. Let's put Jamie, Fox. And I'm going to purchase some mail credits. Alright. I'm going to top up. Now I have $20 that I can use to mail out my dispute letters. Now you have the option of mailing first class mail or certified mail, okay? If you click it, notice that the price will change, okay? Certified mail, you can send it double-sided, okay? Depending on the size of the letter, if it's only one page, then you can use a small envelope. If it's, I believe, 4 pages or more, you have to use a medium-sized envelope, all right? So I'm just going to go ahead and click Pay and Mail. It's going to ask me, now it's going to prepare the letters for you. It's going to prepare them for processing, and then it's going to prepare them for being shipped. Okay. Now with mailing with Creditfixrr mailer, it's going to take 1 to 2 days to send your dispute letters out. Okay. Just wait a moment. Okay, so now that's done, it lets you know that you can click this button right here and you can go to the mail center where you will be able to look at and view all the mail that you have mailed out. Okay, all right, click this, you can view it, and you'll be able to track all of the statuses for your mail. Okay, so it lets you know where it's going, who's the sender. All right, let's go back. Now, if you want to get back to this area here, the mail center, all you would have to do is go to Creditfixrr Tools and then click Certified Mail. And that is how you access and keep track of all of the certified or first class mail that you use to mail out from Creditfixrr system. All right, let's head back to the dashboard. And that is your dispute letter. You can set the mail date for when it's processed, okay? So whenever you see that the letter is, whenever you go into the mail center that it has been delivered or mailed out, then you can set the mail date. So it generally takes 1 to 2 days. So it's the 4th since I made this, and I'll just set it to the 6th. And that is how you use the Creditfixrr mailer. Oh, before I go, you can mail in bulk. So let's say you have multiple dispute letters. You just click the checkbox next to the letters that you want to mail out. Then send bulk certified mail, and you can send some certified mail, you can send some first class mail, and I will go ahead and click Pay and Mail, and it's going to proceed as you saw before. All right, that is how you send your dispute letter certified mail from the Creditfixrr system.